I added a helicopter invasion that can level our city in seconds. Why do I say our? Because you guys named the game, destroyed channel records, and after sifting through your amazing to strange to diabolical comments, I've decided that I don't have the brainpower to sift through all of them. So I put the best submissions on screen. Pause it for a second, decide on the best name and comment down below, and the top comment will be picked. Reasonably, of course. Stick around to the end for more ways to contribute. Speaking of Bombadillo Crocodillo, let's bomb the city. Seems perfectly reasonable. I went for a helicopter because they look cool. Sadly, I don't have the skills to model ones completely, so I just quickly yoinked this one off Sketchfab, W website by the way, and modified it up with these missile shooters. Imported it into Unity, it exists now, although we do want it to do something. So I quickly coded up these rotating blades and now has some insane aura. But it's still not flying, or attacking anything really, so let's add some missiles. These missiles should be able to be shot down, so they can't be too fast, but they gotta look cool. After modeling them and importing them, I made them curve up and then down onto the target building. Perfect. We now have a helicopter and a missile. So obviously the next step is the helicopters shoot out the missiles. The missiles which are bigger than the guns. Don't ask questions. Now these guys fly towards whatever building has been decided as the unlucky victim. The helicopter looks stiff, so let's spend 6 hours making it rotate, move naturally, oscillate and everything. But due to movie magic, it's only 5 seconds for you. Yay, problem, you're fried. So let's become less fried, maybe panzered. The first way to do so is to like and subscribe. No, but seriously, I had to do something. So I modeled up a turret. Realized I'm an idiot and this can't aim upwards. Remodeled the entire turret thing, realized it's too long but I'm way too lazy to remodel it for the third time and make it any bigger, so I'll just have to do 67 subscribers and I'll remodel it. Now we need to make it aim. So more stupid math, and now it rotates. No it doesn't, I had to later go back and change it. I have no idea what I was aiming at because I was using the wrong axis. Anyways, it's capped at 45 because otherwise the model looks janky to say the least. Then, after 17 hours of debugging, because I completely forgot what the requirements for collisions to occur, this pesky rigid body needs to be added, everything works perfectly. Yeah, I lied. You can't place the turret, so you're still deep fried. So let's go ahead and add that to UI and overhaul it with a new feature. You can now see how much stuff costs, updating in real time to track the inflation. Don't even get me started on all the planning I did just to not use it at all. Also fixed this really weird bug where I couldn't place anything. The solution to it, just refactored the code and it just starts working again. I can't even begin to explain what I did. Game development is interesting to say the least. Also, for a touch of polish, the helicopter now falls to the ground and explodes. On death, obviously. Now we need to tie it all in. Let's make a normal attack helicopter like we already have, and then make another event that spawns 8 of them. I made the game way too unbalanced, and now I realize I need your help again. I need more ideas, wacky ideas for the military, as well as some less threatening ideas. I've had an idea for Flash Flood that temporarily disables all electronics to EMP scanners or something, to B2 bombers. Let me know if you like any of those, or any of your own ideas. I can't thank you all enough for the success of the last video, and especially over the 10% of you subscribed. I'm almost at 100 comments as I'm writing the script. And the almost 20 subscribers I've gained in the 28 days, which is a lot when you only have 61. And I think you should subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching, bye bye. See you next time.